Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn what is iframe and how we can implement iframe. So without getting late, let's dive into the tutorial. Iframe are used to render any another website into your website. Okay, so you can use any another website's view into your website using iframe. For iframe, HTML provides iframe tag. You can use it. You can write the opening and closing tag for iframe. Now iframe has one property, that is src. In this src you need to give the address to the website that you want to put on your web page. So let's suppose I give http://www.javatpoint.com. Okay, and if I refresh the page, you can see, right, this Java point comes into my web page, right? So this view is coming. We can also, but if you see here, we cannot see everything, every content of this website, because we need to adjust the width and height of this website. So for that, iframe comes with the property width. Let's give it 1000, and height, let's give it 800. And now if I refresh it, okay, you can see, right, this Java point is here, right? You can scroll it down, right? So in this way you can use iframe to show another website into your web page. Now let me remove this. But some of the websites don't provide you the access to their iframe. So if you suppose like write www.amazon.com, okay, and if I refresh the browser, you can see, right, nothing comes here. It refuses to connect. So these are the like some of the website don't offer the iframes because someone can use another website and then take the user data and then perform the malicious activity. So in order to prevent those things, some websites don't uh, enable you to connect with their iframe. So that's all about iframe. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.